So guys, ganito na yun guys. Ito na yun.
What is this we're making today?
What are we
It's a
making?
Graham Fudge cake.
It's a cake.
It's a cake?
Yep.
With cheese and stuff in it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And what's the potatoes?
No, it's fruit.
Oh, like pineapples?
Yep.
Okay, give me the other one if it's enough. So, give this one. My goodness, my video is blocking the sound.
Okay, so we're gonna put Rice Krispies on there, or not Rice Krispies, graham crackers on the bottom again.
Hold on, no. So we're making another one, guys. Put the box here.
You didn't want it there when I had it.
Yeah, I did not realize that one. So we're making another one, guys. This one here. I hope it's still working.
Could you just pour it, maybe?
No, it's not because I tried to.
So we finished the first one, guys. Here's the first one. So it's layers, guys.
Yes, I spoke to them today already.
Give me the other one. Man, we're blocking my. Give me the open one. Be careful that one if you feel that one. Be careful. So, you see that it's not gonna work.
Here.
No, this one. Put this one inside. That one.
That didn't really work either.
So this one, guys. Hold on, though, it's not gonna work like that one because the. Never mind.
So we're almost done, guys.
Are they tuned in?
Huh?
This is live.
No, it's just a YouTube video.
Are you gonna edit it later?
Yeah.
Hold it, this is too heavy. You're blocking my. Blocking mine. No, it's not enough for the last one. Oh God, it's not enough. So this is how.
Well, that's it.
Yeah.
That's all, folks. Like the cowboys say.
So give me one evaporated milk in the pantry.
This one?
Yeah.
You have any more fruit?
No more. We just put out the other one so that they can absorb here because maybe it's not enough.
So we're just gonna add some more to the second dish because we don't have a lot for the second dish. So we're just gonna add some more milk.
Okay, that's it. Once they absorb that one, give me the other one.
Here's the first one.
They go back again. Stop and they go back again.
No, it's still going.
No, look at the number.
Ooh, it's at 5. I'm at
I
5.
know.
We're at 5.
So this is guy. I just add more milk so that it's moist. So this is the
Finished product.
finished product, guys. See if you see it.
And then this is the second one. The second product. The second baby.
Okay,
And we
that's
just
it.
use condensed milk.
So
now-
guys, that's the only thing we can do for today.
Yep, that's our blog for today, guys.
Hanggang dito na lang. See you sa ano.
Thank you for watching.
So this is it.
That's it.
How many minutes?
5 and 5, 6. But if you put them together,
Yeah, that's gonna happen. That's it.
all right, bye, guys.
Then put the next one in the fridge.
And then you put it in the refrigerator.
Oh, you can do like this one too to make it good. Bye bye guys, we're still growing.
You too. You want to stop me?
Still working.
We're still working, technically. I'm going to crunch this one up.
That's right. A little bit this one to absorb the.
All right, guys, that's it. We'll see you later.